Do you want to learn piano? Do you want to learn how to make your own music? Have you ever found yourself wondering, is it too late for me? Can I still learn to play piano or keyboard at my age? How long will it take? How hard will it be? In answering that question, let me start by giving you a little background information. I started At Home with Music in January of 2021. This, unfortunately, was during the pandemic. The original intent was to help homeschool parents teach basic piano or keyboard to their children, even if they, that is the parents, were not musicians. The idea was to help parents give their children a head start when they went on to take piano lessons. So some of my older videos, which are still available on the channel, are obviously designed with that purpose in mind. I also created a series of videos on music history and music in the church, and those are still there if you'd like to look at those. But over the course of the last couple of years, something changed. And I started to notice that I was receiving a lot of comments from, shall we say, mature viewers. A lot of these people were folks that were wanting to learn piano in their retirement years, or those who had taken lessons when they were younger and they quit at some point for any number of reasons, and now they wanted to start up again. And so they were going to my Music Basics series, and they were looking at some of the videos that I put up about piano technique and so on. And so now the focus of At Home with Music is now more to be a resource for those folks. And maybe you're one of them. So why the change? Well, I still care about homeschool families. Obviously, I'm a big supporter of homeschoolers. And I know that there are still younger students who are learning from my videos. But what about these mature folks? I think one of the reasons that they are watching and commenting could be that, let's face it, I'm not a young man. In fact, I've received a few comments mentioning that it seemed rather unusual for someone my age to be doing YouTube videos. Now, of course, there's a few of us older guys out there, but many of the YouTube music-related channels are hosted by younger musicians, younger teachers, and more power to them. I think it's great what they're doing. And also, you may have noticed that I try to be very calm and very encouraging in my videos. By nature, I'm just not a hyper, in-your-face kind of guy. And I want you to feel as though I'm sitting in the room with you and gently sharing with you what I have learned over the years with you. I want to be an encouragement to you. Getting back to the question, is it too late for you? Well, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing if I thought the answer was, yeah, it's too late. Can you learn to play the piano, even if you consider yourself a, shall we say, mature student? Well, yes, of course you can. You may be asking, how long will it take until I'm good at it? Well, it'll take the rest of your life. But don't get discouraged by that answer. First of all, what does it mean to be good? You ask somebody, what does it mean to be a good musician? A lot of folks take that to mean the ability to play fast and flashy. And you can find a lot of musicians here on YouTube who can definitely wow you with their technical proficiency. It can be pretty exciting to watch. But you know what? After a while, I get a little tired of that. Now, it can be great fun to watch, and you find yourself in awe of somebody's ability. But after a while, I start wanting to hear something relatively simple and played with heart and with feeling. I want to hear somebody playing for the sheer joy of creating beautiful sound, even if what they're playing is not necessarily difficult technically. How long will it take you to be good? Well, you can be good right from the start. You can make a nice sound on the piano right from your first lesson. And then you continue to learn. You start with the basics, and you continue to add new knowledge. You keep building on what you already know. And you know what? The learning never stops. Now, I'm still learning. I'm still building on all of the things I've learned over my 54 years as a musician. And I'm sharing what I've learned and what I'm currently learning with you. It makes me very happy, and I find it very encouraging to learn that there are so many people who want to learn to play, who really appreciate the power of making music. And I consider it a great honor to be of help to them. I consider it a great honor to help you. And if you remember anything from this particular video, remember, the music is in you. That's the motto that appears at the end of my videos. The music is in you. And my job, which I plan to do for as long as I am able, is to help you bring that music out into a world that is waiting to hear it. So I hope this has been an encouragement to you. I thank you for watching. I have so many more things that I look forward to sharing with you over the coming months and years. And as I say, for as long as I am physically able to do this, I have no plans to fully retire. What would I do? I don't do it now. I don't play golf. I don't go fishing. Occasionally I like to go hiking, but sometimes you just got to sit down and rest and play some music. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, please be sure to leave those in the comment section. I make it a practice to respond to every comment. Also, if you'd like to support my work, you can join the others who have become patrons of At Home with Music. The cost is quite minimal to get started, and you will be able to access many of the bonus materials and special things that I have planned for those of you who support the channel financially. And I appreciate that very much. That enables me to keep producing these video lessons and help you become a more well-rounded and beautiful musician. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.